This is a video tutorial on how to use Google Drive presentation. First thing you're going to need to do is go on to google.com, and then you're going to click on the blue button that says sign in. And sometimes what will happen is there will be all these accounts on here, so all you need to do is just click the add account button, and then you can log in. Mine is already up on there, but you can log in with your Google Docs login and your password and just click sign in. Once you're signed in, you're going to see this tile up here. Click on that and click on Drive. And this screen should come up. And I'd like you to click on the Create button and click Presentation. And this will create a new presentation for you. You'll get to pick from a theme here, so you could go through and choose the one you like. I'm going to pick Spotlight and press OK. And your first slide will pop up. First thing I would like you to do is click up here on the left where it says Untitled Presentation, and I'd like you to give your presentation a name. First thing, I'm going to name mine as Story Elements. Now you're ready to begin. So click on your first page and you're going to add a title. And underneath that you can put your name. And then you're ready to begin the rest of your presentation. So you're going to click on this little plus sign here that says Add a New Slide. And you can choose to pick the slide layout that you'd like, or if you just press that button, this layout will come out. And all you need to do is click on the Click to Add Title to put a title there. Just going to resize it a little bit so it fits. If you need to change any of the fonts or any type of text inside of the box, all you need to do is highlight it inside the box, and then this little toolbar will come up and you can change the font. Okay, so I'm going to change it to this. You could change the size, you could underline it, or take off the bold, and you have a couple of other options here as well. What I'd like to do for my first slide is insert a trailer for the movie that goes along with the book, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. So I'm going to go to the Insert button, and I'm going to insert a video onto this slide. I can pull one up from YouTube, or I could pull one from a website, but I'm going to pick from YouTube. And there's a couple that come up, but I'm going to choose this first one here. And I'm going to push select. And it'll come up on screen. I'm going to resize it just by moving it a little bit. Make it fill out that page a little bit more. And then I'm going to add a new slide. This one I'm going to title Characters. And for this one, I'm going to also add in a picture of the main characters, who are the Pevensey children. So I'm going to put here, insert image. I can choose an image if I have something saved. I could take a snapshot, or I can choose to put in a URL, which is what I'm going to do. And over here I have my URL all set up. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to select that one, and then that picture will come up on my page. And I can move that to a different place. And I could add text here if I'd like to about the main characters. The other thing I wanted to show you is for each slide, if you click on the slide, you have the option of changing the background if you would like, to put actually an image on the background instead of a color, or reset the theme. If you want it done to all of your slides, you would click Apply to All. You can change the layout of the slide. These are your 6 options. If you don't like this theme that you picked and you want to change it, you can go on here and change the theme on here. And you can also add in transitions. Right now I don't have any transitions, but I'm going to add some in. I'm going to add in a fade. I'm going to make it fairly fast. And I'd like it to be applied to all my slides, so I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to just press play to see what that would look like. So it gives me a quick overview. When you're done with your presentation, you've added your slides, you've added your text, you've added maybe some pictures or videos in, then you would press the Present button to preview what your presentation looks like. And you would also then go back to your homepage and your story elements or your presentation would show up there, and I would ask you to move that to your ELA or Social Studies folder that is shared with me. Good luck and enjoy!